All right. Well, siguro everyone knows you as the top two counselors in Lawag, no? But no, many have said that businesses are leaving Lawag. Lawag is not the commercial hub anymore of Ilocos Norte, no? So, what do you, Brian? What do you see? No, how can we fix the stagnancy, no, of Lawag, and how can we revitalize the city and also balance central and the rural areas?
Tinamin adlaw ko gobket di pinagserbibing nga 3 years as counselor. Kita tangkit kita yung flow of traffic idikwa ket makita ka medyo madi. So binasak dito traffic code no apay ket tagayam medyo daanen. Kita tanti plan of idikwa is to amend section by section di traffic code tapno may flow of traffic. Medyo stagnant ngamin iti revenue ti syudad Tilawag kasi awan nga road negosyo. So, ma-fix tayo ti traffic, ma-increase tayo ti foot traffic, dumakil no kwa iti businesses, dumakil no kwa revenue ti city gov. So, I came up with the solution nga, proposal nga, urban and rural master plan. That's the end in mind nga solution go. Ano, dumakil ti revenue ti city.
And I would think there's a centro, parang we need to decongest, no? Of course, parking will help, no? But I think in Centro, as much as possible, we need to actually avoid using cars, no? Unless you're passing through. But if you're stopping siguro in the city, as much as possible, like other cities, gusto natin ang public transpo.
So far kasi go, okay na yung public transportation natin, which is the tricycle. This is so ambitious yung I would love to talk to other businesses nga to venture into different business categories nga ipan ije Centro go. Kasi majority of this Centro ticket, it's more of dry goods.
Sa akin naman go for the 3 terms na naging counselor ng Lawag. Tinakita ko talaga go is awan agan handle iti business apong investors iti syudad iti Lawag kasi awan invest department iti syudad iti Lawag. Deta ti mesa kayat kung i-propose no siya to nagbaling mesa ang vice mayor iti syudad iti Lawag nagkaroon iti invest department para matutukan tayo digiti investors tayo na nusinot agin maimbitaan o maitoy kanya to iti syudad iti Lawag o mag-invest.
All right. Well, Handy, one of your advocacies is tourism.
Yes.
No. How can we develop Lawag as a tourism town, much like Paway, Burgos, and Pagudpud? No, because when people think of Ilocos Norte, sadly they don't think of the capital when it comes to tourism. So, what are the sites? How do you think we can jumpstart ang turismo natin?
Yes, umuna na gov masapol tayong i-improve DJ turismo iti syudad iti Lawag. Adu iti tourism apo iti syudad iti Lawag nga haan pay ikan iti tugon pansin. Lastly gov, kailangan talaga natin ng convention center na malaki para ma-invite natin yung mga iba't ibang malalaking convention.
Gusto ko lang dagdagan yun go. Kasi sa akin, pwede kong i-tie up yung vision na urban and master plan kasi pag maayos natin yung sentro to look like world-class na downtown, yung buong Lawag magiging tourist destination mismo.
Yes.
So, what else do you guys think we can do in terms of tourism and infrastructure? No, because we know that infrastructure leads to improved tourism.
Kung ganun, meron ng mga plans na to expand the airport and international flights, maybe the city can also augment in servicing or catering yung mga public transportation from the airport going to their mga preferred na hotels go.